So let's get the bolster, set up the bolster, and then now that we're properly warmed up, this should feel quite good. We'll stack you may need to play around with the distance, but you want the blocks approximately shoulder width apart and a good space between the bolster and the blocks. All right, now we're gonna organize ourselves. Place the knees on the bolster. Reach the hands forward. And again, we may need to play around with the distance. I may need to move that just a tad out. Let's see how it goes. And then slowly find the place where you're comfortable. Check the distance. So we're kind of doing hands and knees, the tabletop. Then slowly extend. Let the spinal extension pivot forward. And make sure you can press strongly with your hands. All right, then lift your toes up off of the ground. So we're elevating our upward dog, and we'll hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Curl the toes, take it a little back, and then point the feet. Walk your hands a little forward. You can roll the shoulders a little back. Bend the knees, and then sink the hips ever so lightly. 1, 2, easy does it, no force. 3, keep pushing with the shoulders a little bit. 4, 5, exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold again. 1, don't use your hamstring. 2, you want to use the glute a little bit. 3, don't use the neck too much, use the shoulders. 4, and 5, exhale, round. Take it back for a moment. We're going to give that one more go. Bring it forward. And inhale, lift. Exhale, engage the spine, engage the glutes lightly. 1, 2, 3. You don't try to touch the head. 4, but if you touch, it's okay. 5, exhale, let's bring it down. Walk off the blocks, hands on the ground. And then exhale, child's pose. Little rest for a moment, deep breath in, and a deep breath out. One more.